You know, the human body's ability to heal itself is, well, it's basically a miracle, right? You get a cut, a scrape, and almost like magic, new skin just appears. But what happens when that process just stops? When a wound gets stuck and forgets how to heal? That's what we're going to get into today, the incredible science of healing the unhealable.
And that's the big question for millions of people who deal with chronic wounds and ulcers. It's this situation where the body's repair signals haven't just gone quiet, they've actually started working against themselves.
This is what we call a stalled wound, and you have to imagine it not as a construction site, but as a microscopic battlefield. It's stuck in this endless state of conflict, where the whole environment has become totally toxic to any kind of new growth.
So, what exactly makes this environment so hostile? Well, it turns out it's this perfect storm of biological problems that just feed off each other, creating a vicious cycle.
A huge part of the problem comes down to these enzymes called MMPs. Now, in a healthy wound, they're super useful. They're like a demolition crew, clearing out all the damaged stuff. But in a stalled wound, they go completely rogue. They start destroying everything in sight. Not just the debris, but also the new growth factors and the very scaffolding needed to rebuild.
So, to deal with a situation like that, you need a lot more than just a simple Band-Aid. You need something that can actually get in there and intervene on that battlefield. And this is where a whole new class of treatments is changing the game.
They're called bioactive dressings. And that word, active, is everything. See, a normal bandage is passive. It just covers things up. But these dressings get actively involved in the healing process at a molecular level. Some of them go a step further and are bioinductive, meaning they actually trigger our own cells to start rebuilding. It is a complete game changer. Now, they might use all sorts of different ingredients, but they all share the same basic goals. They're all trying to create that perfect, moist environment, get the pH back to normal, and manage all the fluids. The whole mission is to turn that hostile battlefield back into fertile ground, creating the ideal little microworld for the body to do its thing.
So, what are these active ingredients, these secret weapons? Well, let's think of them as specialized reinforcements, right? Each one has a unique skill that can help turn the tide of this battle.
Let's start with the big one, collagen. It's the most common protein in our bodies. It's literally the steel framework, the concrete foundation that gives our skin all of its structure and strength. It really is the master builder.
And building collagen from scratch is an incredibly intricate process. It starts with a blueprint in our DNA, gets assembled into chains, woven into this amazing triple helix, and then shipped outside the cell, where it links up to form these super strong fibers. When that whole assembly line breaks down in a stalled wound, adding fresh collagen is like airdropping prefabricated building materials right onto the construction site.
But here's what's so important to understand. Collagen isn't just sitting there. It plays an active, critical role in every single phase of healing. It helps stop the bleeding at the very beginning, it calls in the immune cells to clean up, and then it provides the framework for all the new growth. It's involved from start to finish.
Okay, our next agent is hyaluronic acid, or HA for short. If collagen is the builder, you can think of HA as the project manager. It's a master regulator, controlling moisture on the site and sending out critical messages to all the other cells.
And this is where HA gets really, really cool. It has this dual personality that completely depends on its size. When it's big, high molecular weight, it's calming, it's anti-inflammatory. But when tissue gets damaged, HA gets broken down into smaller pieces, and these small, low molecular weight bits act like a powerful alarm bell, shouting for help, calling in immune cells, and kicking the whole repair process into high gear. It's amazing.
All right, our final healing agent is one you probably weren't expecting, honey. Now, we are definitely not talking about the stuff you squeeze into your tea. This is special, medical-grade, sterilized honey that people have been using to heal for thousands of years, and now we finally have the science to prove why it works so well.
I mean, honey is basically the Swiss Army knife of wound care. It's a natural antibacterial that can smash through tough biofilms. It's anti-inflammatory, it's an antioxidant, it gently helps clear away dead tissue, and on top of all that, it encourages new blood vessels to grow. It is a true powerhouse.
So there you have it. We've got our specialized agents, collagen, HA, honey. But how do they actually win the battle inside that stalled wound? Well, it all comes down to taking back control of the environment.
The main strategy is to finally get those rogue demolition crews, the MMPs, back in line. These bioactive materials basically act as a decoy, giving those destructive enzymes something else to chew on. And this gives the body's own foreman, these natural inhibitors called TIMPs, a chance to get back in there, regain control, and restore balance to the whole system.
Of course, these amazing agents come in different packages. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. A really dry wound might need a hydrogel to add moisture. A wound that's draining a lot might need an absorbent foam. The delivery system has to be tailored to the exact conditions on that specific battlefield.
When you put all of this together, you can see it points to this really profound shift in how we think about healing. We're moving away from just covering and protecting a wound and moving towards actively regenerating the tissue that was lost.
There's this quote from the source material that just says it perfectly. What we're seeing is that the line between an advanced dressing and regenerative medicine is getting blurrier and blurrier. These aren't just fancy bandages anymore. They're a genuine form of therapy that works with the body to rebuild itself from the ground up. So maybe the next time you see a simple bandage, you'll think about it a little differently. You might not just see a piece of cloth, but the humble ancestor of a technology that is literally teaching the body how to heal the unhealable,